Hi guys, I'm back again. Wanted to stop in and show you guys what I've been up to. I have been making this very cute icicle ornaments to go on your Christmas tree. So just wanted to show you what I've made and maybe do a quick little tutorial too. These are very easy to make. I use a little hem cord at the end to make the hanging part. So in different colors. They're all pretty much glass beads though, but I think they came out really cute. My daughter made this one, which is a little different and cute. So, and it looks very cute on the tree as well once you hang them. So let's do a quick tutorial on these. We have, let's see, what you need is an 18 gauge wire. Make a little loop at the end like this, and then this, after you make a loop, you measure about 10, this one's 10.5, but I usually do measure about 10 centimeters, and then make a cut and then grab your beads. I want to show you guys my glass beads collection. I have them stored this way, different colors. These, pretty much all of these beads are from Michael's except for these matte ones. This one, and these 1, 2, 3, 5 matte colors. Rest of them are all from Michael's. I love this type of beads where they come in different sizes. So this is what we're going to use. So far, I have made a few of these that are like these 3 are same design. And these 3 are same, and then we'll make another one that goes with this. So you got your 18 gauge wire, and then all you're going to do is put your beads in to your wire, just like so. I like to start with the small ones and then working with the bigger beads, so that way it looks more like an icicle. So these are my little guys here, and then the bigger size beads. Oh, let's do this. I have 3 of the small ones, 3 of the medium sizes, and then we're going to do 4 of the big ones, the large ones. So we have small, medium, large, and then we're going to end with a medium size and a small size bead. Looks like this. And then here you're going to, you know what, I think I'm going to add one more on the top there. Let's see, there we go. And then you're going to bend right there, and then use your round nose plier and make a loop. See, it's pretty easy. There's not a whole lot going on here. So there's that, and then you want to get your hem cord. I measured 20 centimeter on these. Make a cut. Use scissors to cut this, not your flush cutter. It'll you'll ruin your flush cutter if you use it for other than your cord. So okay, let me show you guys how I add the cord to this. So so this is 20 centimeters long. I fold them in half like this, and then I put it through my loop, and then put the ends through the loop, and it comes like this. And then I think this is called overhead knot, I'm not sure, but this is the knot you're going to make on the top here, and that's it. That's your icicle ornament. Let me know what you think of this, guys. Comment down below, and have fun making this. Bye for now.